How to get verified on Roblox. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to of course open our Roblox and make sure that we are logged in into our account. Now before we proceed, just keep in mind that before you can have this verified badges, you will need to be a developer inside the Roblox app, or you need to be a UGC creator or at least a content creator on the Roblox platform. However, if you're none of those and you still want to apply for a verified Roblox account, then what we are going to do next is to go here on the upper right corner of the screen and then click the settings icon. After that, click on help and safety. And then once you are now here, just look for help, which is right here. And then after that, just scroll down and then look for contact us, which is in this part. Once you do that, you will see this contact information. So what we're going to do right here is to, of course, just put our username. And then, of course, for the first name, it is optional if you want to put it, but I will just leave it as it is. And then for the email, just put your email right here. Same goes for the confirm email address. And then for the issue details, we're going to choose the device that we're currently using right now. So in my case, it is PC. And then for the type of help category, we're going to choose how to. So just look for how to right here. And then for the subcategory type, just click general, which is right here. After that, in the describe your issue, what we're going to do right here is to just say that we want to apply if we are eligible to get a verified Roblox badge. So of course, this is just an example, but you can change this however you want to. And then after that, once you are now done with this, just click on continue and then just start the verification right here. And then once you do that, all you have to do is to just wait for the Roblox support to get back to you. So they will email you. So make sure that you check your email once in a while until they respond to you. And then, of course, that is basically it. They will help you get verified on Roblox. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to get verified on Roblox.